So in today's weather forecast, we have one Rubik's Cube package dropping from the sky, and that sky is my hand. All right, so don't worry, guys. I'm not looking at the cube, but I just removed the tape because I can't really control myself when I get a new cube. I've never gone past this though, so yep. I know what cube it is, but come on, man. I know everyone gets excited when you get a new cube, so. All right. What the hell? It is beautiful. All right. Are we for real? Hold on. I have scissors right here. I can just rip it apart, but I don't really want to. Gather all of this mess. Oh my goodness. It is so good. All right. You know, I'm just gonna poke a hole. Did I just move my stand? Yep, there we go. This goes. All right. We finally got it, guys. This is the MoYu AoChuang V6. Oh. This box feels funny. It feels slippery, but when I actually touch it, it doesn't. You know what? I don't even care. I'm just gonna open this cube up. So as you can see, MoYu has very efficient packaging systems. Unlike GAN, which, you know what, who knows where GAN is at. Alright. I swear, if the GAN released... Wait, they already released a 5x5. Never mind. I was gonna say it would be like $80 or something just because of the packaging. Because this is already like $62. This is always satisfying. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Yeah. Oh my god. It is out, guys. This is the AoChuang V6. I've always wanted this cube. So first turns. Yep, it might need some breaking in though. It's still pretty fast. The insides look good. Oh, holy. This is... I might have to get used to this thing, or like maybe tighten or loosen it. But it feels amazing. The MGC also feels amazing. But I think... Hold on, let me check the size. Okay, that is a big difference. I think I prefer the smaller size better. So the MGC was my old main. Well, it still is, but after I get this, I'll have to test it out and lube it. Well, let's be honest, this will probably be my main. So, some features in this cube are the ball core. I have got the triple track UV, so hold on. Where does it say? Why does it everything in here is why is everything on this Chinese? I can't even. Who is this? I got a 41.62. You know what? Whatever. Nothing on this part. Let's check the accessories. So first impression, this cube is really good. You know, I'm just gonna open it Chinese side. So first impressions, really good. In this cube, it's pretty fast, pretty controllable. The inside is very stable. I mean, not the inside, the cube is very stable. I think it's probably because of the ball core and extra magnets, since this is a triple track cube. There are 3 versions: single track, double track, and triple track. And as the cube gets more expensive, the more magnets are in there. So, what is this? Why is everything Chinese? I swear. It's probably just how to solve a cube. Hope you can read Chinese. Alright, I'm just kidding. Yep, this is how to solve the cube. 2 stickers and another screwdriver. Well, of course this is standard, but yeah. Pretty good accessories box, not very bad. So yeah, this cube is very fast. I like it. Let's check corner cutting. Okay, that was bad. My fingers are slippery today. My bad, this is not a 3x3 that can corner cut 45 degrees. But yo, this is actually pretty good. Reverse corner cutting. Not bad. Double layer corner cut. Okay. I think, yeah. It's pretty good. I think what I like the best about this cube is the speed, the stability, and the smaller size. Because I don't really have big hands. So, hold on. Let's check. I'm just checking if the inner layers are stronger on this cube. Can't really tell the difference now. I think it needs to break in a bit. Like, can you hear that? Like, yeah, that needs to break in a bit. The spring noise will go in if I like put lube in here. This has the same magnet strength on all layers. Now the AoChuang V7, the inner layers are stronger, and the outer layers have weaker magnets. So this cube already feels really nice. But I don't know about the 5x5. It will probably be better when I break it in. Alright. Parity. Oh, God. Don't worry, my turning's bad because my fingers are slippery. I burned to them because I accidentally touched a hot metal pan. Silly me. But yeah, overall, this cube is really nice. This cube is also available on Speedcube Shop. So here it is. It is for $62. As you can see, I got this one. If you want a more budget option, we have the single track, double track, and single track UV coated. The double and triple are both UV coated. But if you want this one, it's really worth to getting it. What did I say? Really worth to getting it? Oh my God. You know what? It's really worth getting this thing. It's really good. So here is the internal. Here are the corner to core magnets. Here is the ball core. Go check it out. Yeah. So pros, I think it's pretty fast, really stable. Corner cutting's good, but I can't really say much about this. It needs to break in. I will make a review on this later, of course. First impressions, it is really good. Let's do some 3x3. Okay. Yeah, it really needs to break in. I'm kind of struggling on this. Probably because I'm not holding the layers, which is bad. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty good cube. And if you don't have a budget, it's probably worth buying this. If you do have a budget, just buy the MGC, as it is also really good. I think the MGC for now is better because I just lubed it, but I'm pretty sure this will be better as well when I lube it. So yeah, it's a pretty good cube. It's worth buying. And that's all. Hope you enjoyed. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Again, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It will be really appreciated. And see you in the next video.